Hello friend, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about assignment versus clone method in Java programming. So here this is the example till this assignment operator, and here this is the Java clone method. Now I have already written the definition for assignment operator. So it performs shallow copy operation. That means here it simply copying the reference, and here clone method it performs deep copying operation. That means creating a new array and copying over the values. So it uses to create the new array. So it won't create a new array. So understand the program. So this is here str1 value and str1 of str1 value that go to str2. So whatever that only doing the copying reference. So whatever the value of str1 that go to str2. Now str2 of 2% that is storing null. Okay, so this all are same, so that here storing str2 of 2% null. So when I run this program, so here you can see the output. So the output that will display null and Samsung. And here this is the clone method. Here this element and st1 that doing the cloning. So whatever the value of st1 that doing the cloning of st1 and do the typecasting, and that store st that store into st2, and here st2 of 2% that storing null, and here printing st1 of 2. So this here deep cloning and shallow cloning. So why the output it's come there, understand by picture. So this is here for assignment operator example, and here st1 this is the value on phrase st1 value. Now st1 value that go to st2, so st1 and st2, so both are refer same array element. So I changes on st2 of 2% null, 0 1 2% null. So this affected on st1 and st2, both are affected, and here printing str1 of 2%, so 1 of 2% also null. So when you are changes on str1, so it affect on str2, and changes str2 that affect in str1. So both are dependent by using assignment or equal operator. But with the clone method, so this st1 this value now cloning st1, cloning, and here after typecasting and storing in st2, and I changes on st2 null. So this is here uh, so this is here deep cloning and cloning method example. So here you can see st1 that refers different array element, and st2 on different array element. So if you do any changes on st2, so it won't affect in st1, and if you do any changes on st1, that won't affect in st2. So I changes on st2 of 2% null. So here that is stored null. So printing st1 of 2. So 1 of 2 that printing. So no any changes on st1 of 2. So that when I run, so here the output it's displaying this value Samsung. So assignment operator performs shallow copy, and clone method that perform deep copy, and it to not create new array, it to refer same array element of these two variables. And here clone method that create new array, so copying, so that means at this place that create new array, and here storing new array element st2. So this element that is stored, and here so that if you changes anything on st1 that not affect st2. So this is the one of the important interview question, assignment versus clone method in Java programming. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.